In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Valorant not opening. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, what all you want to do is go to your search on the bottom and then just type in Valorant like so, but don't click on it. What you want to do is press open file location. Now, once you've gone ahead and opened it up, it's going to look something like this. Just right click on Valorant, go to show more options, and then go to properties, which is at the very bottom. From here, go to compatibility, and where it says compatibility mode, press run this program in compatibility mode 4, and then make sure it's on Windows 10, click apply, and then press OK. Now what you want to do after that is go to the bottom and type in services. Once you go ahead and type in services, just click on any one and then type in V, and then you're going to see VGC. So right click on that, click on the properties for that, and change the startup type from manual to automatic. Press apply, press OK, and now whenever you go ahead and try and open up Valorant, it's going to be working fine. It's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.